So for those parents who are unable to convince their children, I would like their children to listen very carefully, but actually it is because of our great love for them that we want them to remain home for a shorter while we see what happens when just a smaller number is back at school. And by the grace of God, we shall recall them when the time is right. I also urge principals and teachers to compile a list of learners with pre-existing conditions. For example, asthmatics, if there are children who have asthmatic problems, and any other pre-existing conditions, so that the necessary attention can be given to them. Every child must be safely masked. And so, Mr. Wegara, I hope you have given an example to your other colleagues, and that it is also better this way, rather than giving us money, because once you give us the money, then we are tied by procurement processes which don't make sense, and which some people will always utilize for other things. But if anybody wants to help us with these masks as quickly as possible, you have Rivertex, you have Kikotex, and you have the National Youth Service. If you want a point of contact, I am your servant, contact me. Or my person who is in charge of the media, Dr. Siringi there, or Dr. Belio Kipsang. Because as we prepare to open all schools, we are going to need more masks for the less fortunate children.